Hello friends, this is the fourth video on fall risk assessment. In the first video, we discussed about what is fall risk assessment. In the second video, we know the causes, and in the last video, we discussed about the assessment tools. Today, we will discuss how to perform a fall risk assessment in just 5 minutes. Do you need to assess a patient fall risk quickly? In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method that you can be done right at the bedside in just 5 minutes. These rapid screens help the nurses and clinicians identify high-risk patients and take action immediately. The first step is ask about the history of falls. Begin by asking the patient or caregiver if they have fallen in past 6 months. A previous fall is one of the strongest predictors of future falls. Next step is to check mobility and gait. Ask the patient to stand up and walk a short distance. Observe for unsteadiness, use of support, or difficulty initiating movement. Third step is assess the balance. Have the patient stand with feet together. Then try a simple balance test such as standing with eyes closed for a few seconds. Note any swaying or loss of stability. Fourth step is review vision and medication. Quickly check if the patient wears glasses, has vision problems, or is on medication that may cause dizziness, drowsiness, or low blood pressure. And the final step is look at the environment. Scan the bedside area for hazards, clutter, poor lighting, slippery floors, or missing handrails. Environmental risks are often overlooked but easy to fix. And that's it. A complete fall risk assessment in under 5 minutes. Remember, the key is not just identifying the risk, but also documenting your findings clearly in the patient chart. Documentation ensures the entire care team is aware and can implement prevention strategies right away. Quick, simple, and effective because preventing a fall is always better than treating one. Thank you for watching.